Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with using HelpWire. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official HelpWire website right here, helpwire.app, and this is going to open up this homepage. From this main page we can get started. So this is going to be the homepage where you can go ahead and take a look at all the options that you have, such as the pricing, resources, and so on. So from here, the first thing we can do is go ahead and click the Join Now Full Access button that you're going to see on the home page. It's going to take you to the login page. From here, we can get started creating an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. And once you log in, we can get started. So here we have the official HelpWire knowledge base, where we have an article on how to get started with HelpWire and how to get started with setting it up quickly. So what I suggest for you to do, once you have made your account and you're ready to start, you can go right here to the official website and go to the getting started section and take a look at what we need to do. So you're going to download the application from the website, start the application, and copy the connection link that you want and send it to your client via any preferred messaging app, text, or email, and then they can go ahead and follow the connection link. So they're going to go ahead and be able to use your connection link to request access to your PC and to remotely access it. And as you can see, it's going to look like this. From there, you can click grant access and get started sharing your monitor with them. And this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.